Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. I am here to tell you that I host special free live classes daily on unacademy at 7 p.m. and I teach company law and JIGL daily at 7 p.m. So if you are a student preparing for CS executive exams for June 2022, even if you are preparing or revising, feel free to join my session as it is totally free of cost. You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. Now I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 21st and 22nd March sharp at 7 p.m. So we are starting with the topic of Limitation Acts. Today we will discuss the topic of all about period of limitation, as in starting from the introduction to bar of limitation to computation and extension of the period of limitation we will discuss. And tomorrow at 7 p.m. we will discuss the schedule of period of limitation, which is again very important topic from the point of view of exams. So I hope that you join the session. The class links to both the session will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that you receive a notification before the class begins. Other than that, unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students, and especially for our CS executive students. The batch links are in the description box below. So make sure that you go and check those batch links, and in case you plan to take the subscription, then do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Looking forward to see you all today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Bye.